Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. I'm going to thank you all for joining me, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We talk about everything that is yarn and crochet related, and if you look below in the description box, you will see a link, and I have over 1,000 crochet tutorials all free for you to enjoy, and I make them still all the time as well. So, but today we're going to be talking some yarn, because I like to talk yarn as well, but this is actually something, it's not really talking yarn, I guess. It's something different I try. If you don't like it, it's cool. I understand. You know, you don't know if people will like things unless you try them. So if it's a bomb, I won't do it again. But technically it is crochet related. So have you guys heard of the bag company, the SAK, S-A-K? You know, they're known for making a lot of crochet bags. Well, I'm Bagoday. I like crochet bags. So they have mystery boxes. I'm Bagoday. I love mystery boxes. If you watch my channel, you'll see that. So remember, this is kind of like a new video that I'm trying. If you don't like it, you know, you can let me know in a comment if it's not something that you enjoy watching. But if it's something that you enjoy, maybe I could incorporate something like this every now and again, not all the time. But anyways, so I bought mystery boxes from this bag, the SAK, and they are crochet bags. But man, the deal was outrageous. You couldn't even you couldn't pass it up. So I'll tell you a little about it. It is I'll leave the link below. I'm not affiliated with them, but it's like a $300 value for $59. It says it's wall supply / PTA approved, vegan certified materials. All mystery bundle sales are final. It says take a chance with the mystery box and save $234. Each mystery box has 4 different crochet types of bags in them. We don't really know what type it's going to be. They are handmade, and I looked it up. They are handmade in Indonesia, but the company is based in California. So they are hand crocheted bags. And then it tells you how to care for them all and everything like that. So it says that if you buy more than one, it's possible that you could receive the same 4 items in each bag, or you could receive something different. Well, I bought 2 just to see. Now remember, this is an experimental video. If you know, you could always tell me your thoughts in the comments whether you like it or not. You know, I always once in a while try to do something new to see if people is interested in it. But anyways, but technically it is still crochet bags, but it's from a company, and mystery boxes, which I love to do. So let's open it up. I thought it was an amazing deal. Although I don't really carry too many bags, I do like to look at crochet bags. And if you could get something and save over $200, I'm in. So there it is. Remember, these were, what'd I say, $54 a piece or something? Regular, like $300. $59. Okay. So we'll go ahead and look at the first one. I'm really excited because I love mystery bags so much, and I know what's in here is going to be hand crocheted bags. I think the SAK has some nice hand crochet bags. They're easy to mock and crochet. It's like crocheting yourself, but most of them are. But I'm interested to see what they're putting in their mystery boxes as far as bags. Oh. Ooh, okay, so let's see. Here's the first one. I'll have to look up a retail value on these. Well, if they're still available on their site here at the end, and I'll shut my camera off to do that and let you know. But that's pretty. It's made with nylon thread, as you can see. It's a little pouch. You could hook it up as a keychain or whatever, or carry it as like a hand. Put your cell phone in there. I don't think my phone will fit, but a small phone will fit in there. And it's nice on the inside. It's got a little pocket. That's nice and lined. I like that. hand crocheted, vegan, lining made from recycled plastic bottles, PETA approved. Yep. I'll look this up and give you a retail value of my total box. So I like that. Hey, and it's brown. That's cute. It's adorable. All right, so that was one of them. So, you know, that would be really easy to do in nylon thread. It's just all single crochet there. But it's nice the way it's aligned. Got an I-cord there. I like it. I do. So that was one. 2, 3. Wait a minute, what's going on? What's this? What is this? Is this something that's... This is a keychain. Okay, I don't know. This must be something that... I hope this must be one of my 4 items. I guess. It's cute. I'll definitely keep it because I love keychains a lot. Isn't that pretty? So that was one. I'll keep this. I probably won't keep these bags. I doubt it because I don't wear them. But I'll definitely keep that. I love keychains. Alright. A nice bag right here. The sack. Back to Basic limited edition. For every purchase of a limited edition back to Bali bags, the sack donates a portion of the proceeds toward funding health programs and community events in the education of female artisans of Nigeria and the surrounding villages who hand crochet each bag as a tribute to our roots. Nice. So this is kind of like crossbody. My pants aren't buttoned. I never button my pants when I'm doing videos. That's nice. That's probably more information that you needed to hear, huh? I like that. That's so nice. And as you see, it's made with nylon thread, so it's super strong. I like the design they made in there. One strip, or one bag there. Zipper lining. And, oh, it's got a signature of who made it on there. And the day they made it. July of 2020. I can't read the signature of the person that made it, but that's super neat. I like that. What a deal on these bags. These are super cool. I'll probably put these in giveaways because, like I said, I don't keep bags, or I don't usually keep bags, but that's cute. And there's one more. It's kind of similar, but a little different. What we got here? Oh, that's a big one. That is beautiful. Look at that. Where's the handles at on this thing? Okay, so it's got a magnetic button there to clasp it. I'll keep that paper to put back in it. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I love that one. I love it. I might have to keep one. These are all made with nylon. Super nice. And again, it has the signature of the person who made it. Someone different. And the date that it was made, the date that it was crocheted, and it has the same information about supporting the female artisans. That's nice. Back to Bali. I thought it said back to basics. Back to Bali. So that was one mystery bag. That's super cool. I really like this one as well. It's got a little bit shorter of the handle as the other one, but I like it. I might have to keep one of them. I got another mystery bag. It could be the same though. We'll see. Okay, I couldn't find these exact ones because they were limited edition, but I found one similar that ran to 100 to a little over 100 a piece. That's nice. So that's definitely for those two, just for those two, you know. And then I got the little one, which of them ran different prices. It just depends. So yeah, they said it was almost a $300 value, and I do believe that to be true. Awesome. Let's look at the other one real quick. Let's look at this other one, and it could be the same. It could be. They said that. They said it could not be, so Bagoday's got to take a chance on this. Okay, it looks similar. If not, possibly the same. Okay. I got another one of these little blue ones, but it's a different color. It's coral. I like that. So, another one of these. Oh, I didn't even see this on the back. A coin pouch here. Did the brown one have that one? Oh no, this one's just different. Okay, so it's similar but different yet. This brown one doesn't have the on the back. And this has got, oh, this has got credit cards and things inside. I like that one. It's pretty color. I like that you can use it as a keychain as well, or hand. Okay, and then I did get another heart keychain. The same. Put that in there. And then I got 2 more. I think these bags might be the same. Let's look. Yeah. I don't care. I think it's a good deal. I like them. I do. That's nice. So that's the same as the other one. What a deal on these. And then this one is actually the same too. So I did buy 2. I got the same. That's okay. Well, one of them was different, I guess. That little one was different. But yes, wow. This one's super cool. I think it's very much worth the money. And I like the cause that they have. I like that it's, you know, sustainable resources they use and things like that. It's a nice company. It's, like I said, it's made out of nylon thread. It's super durable and it's lined nicely. I love the way they have the person who made it sign it. Oh, it's someone different for this bag than it was the other one. The same. I gotta check. I gotta check to see if it was the same person as the other one. Nope, they're all different people that made these bags, but they just used the same pattern. That's cool. It's cool, it is. Well, that's my mystery box opening today. Like I said, it actually was hand purchased hand crocheted items, but I thought the deal was too good to pass up. The bags are very high quality, and I do like their mission at the SAC, you know, how they help the women. And everything's, you know, these are limited edition bags. I just like everything about it. So I don't care that I got the same. I'll give a couple away in my next giveaway. Surely some people will like these and I can appreciate them. I like them. I think they're super cool. So let me know. Oh, I bought these separately so I could get free shipping. I was like $10 away from free shipping, so I bought 3 crochet keychains to get the free shipping. I'll keep these. So like I said, I like keychains a lot. I use them all the time. I have quite a collection of them. So yes, these are all keychains, and I will keep them and use them. So these are all hand crocheted as well. So anyways, that was just I threw those in there. I paid for those separate. But those mystery boxes, man, those are well worth it. And I believe them when they say that it's a $300 value and you're getting it for $59. It's a killer deal. But anyway, so this was something different. You know, like I said, it's mystery box related, which I love. It's crochet related, which I like. It is bags, like Bagoday, even though I don't crochet a lot of bags anymore. Let me know in the comments if this is a type of video that you enjoyed watching. If not, you know, I won't take it personal. I understand. The only way I can try to add new content is just to try it. And if I get good feedback, then cool. If I don't, then I won't try it again. So please let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay?